Presentation on the course project in load testing. Greetings, guys. My name is Nikolai. Today, we will be presenting the topic on our course project, installation. We will discuss our goals on how to install it. Get ready for it. How do we approach installation? In the Load Runner Expert workflow, we are still on the first step on plan load test. After planning an effective load test, we will be ready for installation. An installation for Vugen. As we start our installation, prepare to install Vugen on a PC that has access available to the application that should be scripted for it. Then make sure that the verification is valid, that PC hosting Vugen, before you can run the application for proper setup confirmation. Installation for controller. For the controllers, it must be installed on a PC with connectivity to the load generators. There must be a provision for the host ID and maintenance number with HP. Afterwards, there should be load runner license key and control of the number and type of virtual users and the type of monitors and with a controller that can use it. Installation for load generators. With the load generators, it should be installed wherever real users go for an access into the application under test, and it should be as load runner agents. In this scenario, it can be a use counted with one or more load generators. As a single controller, it can use with a load generator at a time. For load generators, we need connectivity to both the controller and the AUT. Lastly, prepare for installation with the load generator software on the host machine. Installation load generators to reflect customer base. There is a possibility for installing load generators wherever you have a significant customer base. Installing analysis. With our installation anywhere for load runner analysis, you can provide the controller featuring with connectivity to the LR analysis machine. How to put it all together. As a controller, it is a centralized console which is able to be manageable and monitored with the load test. Account of virtual users are thousands to perform real-life business processes on the application under test in emulation to production traffic. In real-time monitors, it is to capture to performance data across tiers, servers, and networks resources market display to the information on the controller. With results, they are stored in a database repository that allows users to generate reports and analysis should be in performance. What is the example of WAN? It stands for Wide Area Network, which is a geographically dispersed network. It creates a collection of local area networks, LANs, or other networks that can be a communication with one another. Images for configuring WAN emulation. You can see a display of images for WAN emulation configuration. Image for minimum hardware recommendation. As you can see, look out with a display for recommended minimum hardware. Directions of verifying connectivity to a load generator. You have to run a scenario in the controller. Click on the load generators icon. Click on the add generator, including the following: PCNet BIOS, Windows name, DNS name, and IP address. Make sure you select the appropriate OS and a valid path for temporary storage. Give connection to the generator in an attempt. The window displays ready when there is a successful connection. Directions to troubleshoot generator connectivity issues. In verification of connectivity, you have to ping generator by name /DNS/IP. Give confirmation to the load runner gent if running. In generator PC, here should be Raider dish in system tray, and make sure there is remotely magnet service.xn. The XE process or service will be in appearance into the task list. Make sure to check the firewall which is blocking access. The conclusion is, this time, we have done it for presenting the course project in load testing. I hope you like my presentation. Thank you very much and see you next time, guys.